Welcome back to my channel Holy KL TV. Today we are at Kuala Lumpur International Airport. We are going to teach you how to print boarding pass and how to print baggage tag. I am flying with Malaysia Airlines. First, you need to check in online through the airline website or check in using apps. Let's go to level 5 departure hall at KLIA 1. Find the self-service kiosk. Press Malaysia Airlines system button and accept. To print the boarding pass, you can choose booking reference number or e-ticket number or passport details. I chose the e-ticket number. Next, key in your e-ticket number and press confirm. Press print boarding pass. Select the number of bags you want to check in. 1 bag, 2 bags. So finally, the boarding pass is being printed. Don't worry, you can add or modify the number of bags and print again your boarding pass. You can watch my other videos. Do you know where to find free shower in KLIA too? Or you can watch my mini vlog airports from Kuala Lumpur International Airport to Sabah KKIA. Follow me by subscribing to my channel. There are many more exciting and good videos to come.